Most people think building strength means lifting heavier weights or doing endless representatives. But sometimes the secret to a stronger body is simply holding still. These 8 isometric exercises require little or no equipment, yet they can improve your strength, posture, balance, and endurance. And the best part? Almost anyone can do them at home. 1. Bird dog hold. The bird dog hold is one of the best exercises for core stability and lower back health. Start on all fours, then extend one arm forward and the opposite leg backward. Keep your hips level and hold the position without twisting. This simple move trains your core, glutes, and back muscles while improving balance and coordination. Hold for 20 to 40 seconds on each side, and focus on staying steady rather than reaching as far as possible. 2. Reverse plank. The reverse plank works muscles that are often weakened by long hours of sitting. Sit with your legs straight and place your hand behind you. Press through your hands and heels and lift your hips until your body forms a straight line. You'll feel your glutes, hamstrings, shoulders, and upper back working together. It also helps open up the chest and improve posture. Hold for 20 to 45 seconds and try not to let your hips drop. 3. Low push-up hold. This exercise targets one of the hardest parts of the push-up. Lower yourself until your elbows are around 90 degrees and hold that position. Keep your core tight and breathe normally. This move builds chest, shoulder, and tricep strength while helping you overcome weak points in regular push-ups. Start with 10 to 20 seconds and gradually increase the time. 4. Dead hang. The dead hang looks easy, but it offers incredible benefits. Grab a pull-up bar and let your body hang naturally. This exercise strengthens your grip, shoulders, and forearms while helping relieve tension in the spine caused by sitting all day. Even 20 seconds can make a difference. As your grip improves, work your way up to 1 minute. 5. Reverse tabletop. This forgotten exercise is excellent for improving posture. Sit with your knees bent and hands behind you. Lift your hips until your body forms a tabletop shape. The reverse tabletop strengthens the glutes, lower back, and shoulders while stretching the chest and hip flexors, which often become tight from spending too much time sitting. Hold for 20 to 40 seconds while keeping your hips lifted. 6. Superman hold. If you spend most of your day sitting, this exercise deserves a place in your routine. Lie face down and lift your arms and legs off the floor at the same time. Hold the position while keeping your neck relaxed. The Superman hold strengthens the lower back, glutes, and hamstrings, helping improve posture and spinal stability. Start with 15 seconds and gradually work your way up to 30 seconds. 7. Traditional plank. The plank may be common, but many people still underestimate its value. A proper plank works far more than your abs. It trains your entire core, including the muscles that protect your lower back. Keep your body in a straight line. Engage your glutes and avoid letting your hips sag or rise too high. Start with 20 seconds and slowly build toward 1 minute. 8. Hollow body hold. This is one of the most challenging exercises on the list, but it's also one of the most effective. Lie on your back and press your lower back firmly into the floor. Raise your legs and arms slightly and hold the position. The hollow body hold develops deep core strength and body control, making everyday movements easier and improving overall stability. Begin with 15 seconds and increase the time as your strength improves. These 8 isometric holds prove that you don't always have to move to get stronger. Sometimes, staying still is exactly what your body needs. Try adding 1 or 2 of these exercises to your daily routine and see how much stronger and more stable you feel after a few weeks. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.